There are certain questions in competitions like Olympiads where you are required to know the concept of smallest and largest single digits, two digits, three digits, four digits, five digits, and so on. Before moving into that topic, let me tell you that positive integer numbers can be categorized into two types: whole numbers and natural numbers. The only difference between the two is that whole number starts with 0 and get incremented by 1. That means after 0 comes 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Natural number starts with 1 and it also get incremented by 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Having known that, let us come to our main point of discussion. Smallest single digit number. You can see over here, smallest single digit or one digit number will be 0 if you are asked with reference to whole numbers, because whole number starts with 0 and therefore the smallest will be 0. And if you are asked with respect to natural numbers, then the smallest number will be 1. Next, discussing the largest single digit number. So if you increase the number of digits or numbers in number line or natural numbers, next will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. Now my dear little friends, you can see over here that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these are single digit number, and just after 9 comes 10. So this is a two digits number because there are two digits over here. One is 0 and another is 1. So this is 10. This is a two digit number, and just before that we have got 9, which is a single digit or one digit number. So from here you can see that 9 is the largest single digit number, because you can see over here all the numbers apart from 9 are smaller than 9. So we can write over here in this blank that 9 is the largest single digit number. Now let us discuss smallest two digit number. Now again, if we increment the numbers over there in the number line, next will be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, dot 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 dot. It will go on. It will go on till comes 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Then it will come 90, then 99, and then 100. So you see over here, friends, that 100 is a three digit number. 100 is a three digit number, and this 99 is the last double digit or two digits number. If you see the two digit numbers, we can see that this two digit number starts with 10 and ends with 99. So we can easily say that the smallest two digit number will be 10 and the largest two digit numbers will be 99. It's not a rocket science. It is very easy to see that two digit number starts with 10 and ends with 99, and just after 99 comes a three digit number, and therefore we can easily say that 99 is the largest two digit number and 10 is the smallest two digits numbers. By the same logic, if we increase this number line further after 100, let me write that down in this vacant space. So three digit number starts with 100, then comes 101, 102, and somewhere there will be 200, then comes 201, 203, 300, then 301, 303, 350, 399, and ultimately 400. We may carry forward 400, somewhere comes 500, 599, and then comes 600, then comes 700, 701, 702, 750, dot 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 dot, 799, and then 800, then dot 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 900, then again 901, 902, 903, 999, then comes 1000. So now let us check these 3-digit numbers. Starts with 100, and you can easily verify and check that it ends with 999, 999, 900s, 910s, and 91s, and immediately after 999 comes 1000, which is a 4 digits number. So the smallest 3-digit number undoubtedly will be 100, and the largest 3 digits number will be 999. By similar logic, the smallest 4-digit number will be 1000. Smallest 4-digit number will start with 1, and there will be 3 zeros to make the whole number a 4-digit number. The smallest 3-digit number starts with 1 and add 2 zeros to make this 3-digit numbers, and the number is 100. The smallest 2-digit number starts with 1, you add another 0 to make that 2-digit number, and the number is 10. I hope you understand what I mean to say, the logic, how just without writing the number line and counting like this, how can you arrive at the smallest 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits, any digits number. By similar logic, the smallest 5-digit number, by now you should be able to answer, you should be able to fill up this gap. You take 1, and how many zeros you require here? So you see that you have to make this a 5 digits number. So there will be 4 zeros, because 1 is one of the digit, and you write down 1, 2, 3, and 4 digits. So there are how many? 4 zeros. So how many total digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, including 1. So there are 5 digits starting with 1, and there are 4 zeros. So this is going to be the smallest 5 digits numbers. Now coming to the largest 4-digit numbers, largest 4 digits number will be 9999. There will be 9999. Number consists of places, and these places have values. And you already know that this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. And to maximize the number, you have to maximize the value of that particular place. And how will you maximize? By putting in the largest possible digit at that place, and the largest possible digit is 9, and therefore you have to put 9 in every place, 9 at every place, to maximize the whole or total number. Therefore we can arrive easily to the largest possible 4-digit number by putting in 9 at all the 4 places. We can arrive at the largest 3-digit numbers by putting in 9 at all the 3 place values. We can arrive at the largest 2-digit numbers, as because it's a 2-digit, there will be 2 places, and we can maximize, we can have the largest value by putting it 9 at the 2 places. By now you should be able to arrive at the largest 5-digit numbers. 5 digits numbers will have how many places? 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can maximize by maximizing the number of ones, and you can maximize the number of ones by putting in 9, maximizing the number of tens by putting in 9, putting in 9 at hundreds, putting in 9 at all the places. So this is going to be 99,999. So this is the largest 5-digit numbers. So now if I ask you largest 8-digit numbers, largest 8-digit number, if somebody asks you, you can easily answer that. So for 8 digits number, so there will be 8 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You take 8 places and put 9 at all the places. So this is going to be the largest possible 8-digit number. Similarly, if you are asked to write down the smallest 8 digits number, then your answer will be, first you I have to make 8 places. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Put 1 in the largest value of the place and then put 0 in all the other places to make this 8 digit number, because 0 is the smallest number we can put, and we have to put 1 in the highest order place so as to make this a number. Otherwise, if you put 0 at the highest order, this whole number will be equal to 0. Anyway, by following these same rules, you can either create largest 8 digit largest possible and the smallest possible numbers containing the asked value of digits. I hope you have got my point. There may be many questions which may be framed based on the understanding of this concept. Therefore, please try to understand this concept clearly before attempting questions. Now, let us try some questions based on the understanding of this particular concept, which are asked in various competitions and Olympiads. If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.